Subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell for all future notifications.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing very good. In case you're stopping by for the first time, then my name is Divya and I make videos on hair and makeup, and I post regularly on Monday and Friday. If you like what you see, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell so that you're notified for every new video in the future. And now let's just dive into the video. So today's video is about this messy bun. I've basically curled my hair from my shoulder till the end, and I've created this very beautiful and very elegant and something very party and date appropriate. So I hope you're going to like it. If you have curly hair naturally, then you're just going to love this because you just need a couple of minutes and a couple of bobby pins and you're done with this hairstyle. And if you have straight hair, then probably you would want to go, you would want to curl your hair before going ahead with this hairstyle. So I have a heatless method to curl my hair, which I have linked it up here. So in case you're interested, you can go and check that out. Otherwise, if you don't want to curl your hair, it still can work, but the only thing is that the outcome is going to be drastically different. But again, it will look good, it will look elegant. It's just that it's going to be with straight hair, that's it. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy the video, and let's get started.
Alright guys, so for this hairstyle we need to create 3 sections, and they do not really need to be equal because we are making a messy bun and a messy hairstyle doesn't really have any rules. So we are just going to use our fingers and create 3 random sections, and I'm going to work first on the middle section and then I'm going to go to the sides. So the middle section is basically going to form the foundation of your bun. I'm just twisting the section and wrapping it around like a bun. And then I'm just going to secure it with lots of bobby pins. Now this is something that I've felt that curly hair generally tend to hold the bun better than straight hair. So if you have straight hair, make sure that you tie it with the elastic rubber band first and then go ahead with bobby pins. That will make sure that your bun is more secure, especially if you have silky hair. And for curly hair, because the curls tend to secure the bun themselves, so the elastic rubber band part can be really ignored. If you have any loose ends, then make sure that you tie them as well. Just play around with them. If you don't want to play around with them and you want them to hang around, it's fine because it's a messy bun after all. Now coming to the front sections, I'm just going to do a side parting and then I'm going to work on these sections one by one. So I'm just going to twist and tug and pull a few pieces from the twist, and again I'm just going to basically wrap it around the bun that we have created at the back, and again secure with lots of bobby pins and make sure that it's not moving. Just push and pull a few pieces from the front just to make sure that it looks voluminous and a lot more elegant. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side as well. So I'm just going to twist it, tug and pull if required, and then just wrap it around the bun that we have created. And that's it. Again, use lots of bobby pins. I've also used a couple of spiral pins because I feel whenever you're working with buns, spiral pins work better than bobby pins and they help in holding the bun better. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the hairstyle. Now just pull out a few pieces to frame your face. Now it's not a necessary step. If you want to let go of it, then it's okay. I just feel that it gives a little more definition to the entire look, so I like to go ahead with that. And here's the final look, guys. I really loved it because it's really simple, easy and quick and elegant at the same time. So I loved it. Let me know how you find this look in the comment section below.
So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you really did, then please do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends, and also do not forget to check out my latest upload, which is right here. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye bye, take care, love you all so much. Mwah.